Hello my friend, good morning. Today Miss Vidya would like to take you to Letterland again. And for today we are going to learn the final L sound. Yes, today we are going to learn sound of L. The L sound can be found in the very end of the word. The first L is when parachuted apple meet Lucy Lamplight. Together they say L. You can find parachuted apple and Lucy Lamplight in word hospital, musical, universal, chemical, magical. And the second L sound is when you see a wiggly E letter with Lucy Lamplight. The E letter doesn't belong to Eddie Elephant, so the sound is L. You can find the wiggly E and Lucy Lamplight in the words travel, camel, tunnel, angel, channel. So today you will see parachuted apple and Lucy Lamplight says L, and the wiggly E letter and Lucy Lamplight also say L. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.